Welcome back to CIPD Expert. Today, let's discuss the key concept of 5HR01, employee involvement and participation, and how it builds work relationships. So, let's move further. Employee involvement. To involve the employees, management introduces practices directly with employees via email, briefings, and newsletters. It is not directly linked to decision-making but draws out ideas and cooperation. As a result, employees feel they are contributing and become more committed and loyal. Employee participation. Employee participation refers to the direct involvement of employees in organizational decisions via voting, profit sharing, and representation in the board. This direct engagement makes employees feel valued and breaks down the communication barrier. Let's break down the key differences between employee involvement and employee participation through this simple comparison. Employee involvement is about management-led initiatives to gather ideas and cooperation. In contrast, participation, employees having a direct say in organizational decisions. Involvement in decision-making. With involvement, decision-making is indirect while in participation it is direct. Involvement uses methods like emails, briefings, and newsletters. Participation involves voting, profit sharing, employee representation on boards. Employee role. When involved, it provides feedback and contributing ideas. When participating, they go a step further, actively shaping policies and choices. Work relationship. Employee involvement fosters positive relationships through shared input and feeling valued. Participation builds trust and respect through shared power and decision-making. So, that's the wrap-up for today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more CIPD insights.